This video is made adult collectors for age 30 plus. Viewer description is advised. Hey, what is up guys, it is your boy Michael here. Welcome back to another video. So today we'll go to check a new Yolopark Transformers G1 MK mini series WAIFUS Ironhide. What this is this model kits like looks like that. I don't like for this Optimus Prime and Megatron design in the Dark in the Moon version. It looks like it's really shiny. The Optimus Prime looks so good, and the Megatron looks like the color green, light green. That's so awful. It is bad design. This is really outdated design, like the Unique Choice Desperado. And this is better than for the brownish gray. It's Blocky's Megatron Dark in the Moon in the classic edition. So let's get to see the Ironhide. But this really images looks like shiny rainbow chroma rainbow for design and background and images. This is gonna be H8 plus whatever. So latest torso was this 429 pesos, which is $7.20. So it is one the Ironhide. This is the 11 centimeters. So this one okay. So we get back and then to the left or on the right one. Transformers. This one and I guess the right for this destruction. The Ironhide, this design, this will complete. I thought this is not going to complete design like the MK mini series Wave 1, 2, or the smaller, so better than the smaller for this 1, 2. Okay, we got the Transformers or Transformers T1 logo with the Autobots logo design. Okay, this is in the 80s version. We got nothing to see. So we got back. So we got back for this images. It looks like a color rainbow shiny. This is really good for this images background. You got the pieces of this one with the the handgun. This images it looks like. I don't buy for this WAIFUS Dark in the Moon Optimus Prime and Megatron. Well, looks like kind of pretty awful. This one this looks pretty fine. So I don't buy for this one. For the Dark in the Moon version. So okay, if you like this video, smash the like, subscribe button, notification bell so to notify for the latest videos. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna paint for this one. So I got this one to put it out there. Ooh, look at that. So look at outfit. So I'm gonna remove the tape. It's just a little bit. I kind of stretched them. Hold on, let me see doing. Ah, damn. What the heck is going on there? Oh, I got tape there. So we'll move that. We don't need the cutter anymore, or scissor, or whatever those things. Okay, so we got careful that. I got this one. Oh yeah, yes, my Ironhide. Oh my boy, Ironhide. That's my favorite G1 design. Oh my God, we have the limited card edition with the codes, and we got Ironhide design. Looks rainbow shiny, and it looks like back when Ironhide looks so good. And they get back to the QR code to visit us with the Yolopark. So in the social media, and we got the instructions of Ironhide. This one images, and we got this in follow us instructions. The wrist, the head, and the ball joints, the elbows of the hands, the wrist, raise the hip skirts with the legs, feet, or whatever. No, this one we got this. You can follow some instruction. So we got it for this one. This is good. Is images. We got background, and we got to see this one. All right, guys. I'm so busy this way. So this one, another code, QR code with Yolopark, whether it's English or Chinese, whatever this one. So I gotta see this one. Let's get a box of this one. Let's get it building up this something about. All right, let's building up. Okay guys, I'm busy with the building with Ironhide in the MK mini series WAIFUS and the Transformers franchise. So I'm gonna use it with the Ironhide in this one though. So this one is my favorite Transformers G1 in the series. I didn't know what this is a color red in the bodies and the car and the vehicles, non-transformation or non-transformers. What they got to see. I really love this color dark gray on this one though. with the light gray and the red. This windows the shields and the blasters without damages in this one. The Autobots G1 logo. Look at this. So this image is right here. As you can see, I'm gonna smooth. This is the Autobots G1 logo, the original. This is so cool. Anyways, I'm not gonna buy Dog in the Moon or Optimus Prime and Bumblebee Dog in the Moon. But obvious reasons, the painting skull details, the face expression, that looks so sick, and this looks so great. I love how the Yolopark in this one, the blue lights on. There's no little blue eyes in that. Blue eyes in this one. This face and this color white, this is so good. Anyways, this one, I don't really think about this imaging in this series. It looks like smaller difficult, and it is one the original Philippines version. But the mystery box in is the small square box or rectangle. It's this like China, Philippines, whatever you want. This is what kind of the wheel is so similar. Anyways, so this is accessories there. So this looks like this big. Oh, I got the. So my angles is really weird, and you guys see as the face, the expression, that's in the hands, definitely in this aiming, this posing at the G1 80s version of the 8th episode or movies, whatever you want. This looks hands, the different hands will look so great, and I don't know what Yolopark for this looks like that. I'm kind of different with the hand blaster. They call it the hand blaster. Like it's handgun. It looks like holding the Optimus Prime. Looks same the Iron Blaster, the handgun of this one. Look at the painting. They printed looks so great, and it definitely. I think this is the kind of the really one. So I'm gonna this one with Ironhide. The over this one. We're gonna put this one there. So let's get this script that they're putting here in hands. I'm gonna put this script and this on. I'm really so serious with Ironhide. That's not I hope it not to break down a bit, but be careful, guys. It's really dangerous. So I'm gonna Ironhide, really cool guy, and that's Bumblebee was the annoying character. Yeah, this is definitely the. Oh my god, this is so badass thing. Anyways, this was the face of the silver. They light the car, and you guys see. But look at this, the crunch of those apps. That's the torso. This design with the hip skirts, the legs. They got ball joints. They silver. The double joints. I don't know what's the ball joint. The legs, feet, the elbows, shoulders, knees, the head, and this is wrist or waist, whatever. This is the body. Does toys. Definitely that's my favorite. And it got the design, the G1 version. It is one the GF1 movie looks like Ironhide in the put it a color and into transformation of not spoilers. I really don't know how much the price in the Philippines or dollars. Anyways, like guys see that. So we're gonna pull it off. Whatever. This is kind of a G1. That's definitely that's classic. And then this one that the non-transformation. It's non-physical transformation. Non-transformation. Why not? I think I see this. So I'm gonna display articulation time with Ironhide, and it's my favorite. It looks like voiced by Peter Curran, voiced like same the Optimus Prime in the series, like video games, live action, cartoons, or whatever you want. This one, okay. So this is the back of the extra joints. There's extra joints here. So the extra joints there. We got the. I think I see the moving this. The accessories they put it nothing on the same. I really move it. Oh, look at that. So this extra joints there. This is squeezy. It looks so sick. How much is it even possible? So it looks like they wow. I'm good. Definitely, this is so much. I love these figures and model kits. And anyways, guys, okay, guys, time out. It's articulation time. So we got to put this the arms went for this up and down, side by side, up and down for the articulation. The rotation, the 360. Anyways, now we're gonna remove the handgun here. Oh my god, so heavy. Oh shoot, we got elbows, the up and down, the wrist, the articulation, rotation for this 360, and we got wrist, the wrist, the hands, the wrist, the hands. Rotation 360. We got the left one, the rotation 360, on up and down, whatever, up and down. Well, this side by side here. Oh, we got this, the wrist, the arms, the rotation, the 360. Rotation to 360. We got the what's it called? Oh, the wrist, left one. The fist one. We got the fist one, the rotation. Oh, this 360. Yeah, this is a really cool. The crunch, elbows, torso, legs. We got up and down. Those were double joints. And this one, up and down. That's side by side. Anyways, this is a kind of really rotation. So this rotation 360. I really love the Transformers T1. That's not a big version. This from like Megatron and Optimus Prime is not great, but this is kind of pretty fine though. And his head, let's get it up and down. This really joins the ball joints there. The body is around this thing. Rotation there, rotation 360, rotation 360. Anyways, kind of really so similar. And legs, the right one, side by side for this one. oh, really not a standard. A little bit up and down. The wrist one, the rotation 360 for the right one, the fit one, the up and down, side by side. We got rotation with this one, rotation 360. We got the left one, the side by side. They a little bit up and down, so whatsoever. They are nothing the up and down for the double joints. Another right one for the up. Wait, hold on. Up and down. So a little bit. Man, that's so awful. I think a big those whatsoever. Be careful, guys. It's really the extra joints here. But it's this. Okay, one more time. Side by side, up and down. A little bit. We got wrist the 360. The left one. I got over the ball joint. The elbows. This elbows. It's shoulders up and down. Shoulders right one. This right one. Left one to the up and down. It looks so. This is a double joints in this one. So crunchy. This is the elbows design. I must say how great out is the accuracy. But this looks so great. And up and down, side by side. Rotation for the 360. Oh, that's so pretty accuracy. And this looks pretty great. This design. The Transformers C1 will look so great. I have no idea what's going on here. Anyways, so what are we gonna do? I'm gonna hold this hands with the handgun, but put in the handgun down on. Put it on with the grip, and then we got the okay. So there's one. I hope you're happy for this. Will be next on with Ratchet and this MK Mini Series Wave 3. I'm not gonna buy for the Optimus Prime or Megatron. It's really bad design. It looks like better than the Blockies edition. Anyways, always there's no way idea what's called so whatsoever. Anyways, they are. And we got the accessories, the open hands, the accessories with the fist and open hands, or whatever this is. I got this one. So I got this the 11 centimeters. I got this size comparison. Okay, with size comparison, that is what you guys see. Okay, here's with the size comparison with the Optimus Prime from the MK Mini Series Wave 1. And the only one with the Optimus Prime from the MK Mini Series Wave 2. That was a way designed a little bit 12 centimeters. It was a high like Optimus Prime. It looks same but 12 centimeters. So this one. How they got Optimus Prime looks same at 12 centimeters, and the Ironhide looks like the 11 centimeters. So looks like that. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna put it back on. So I'm gonna put this rating for this MK Mini Series Wave 3 Ironhide is give it a 8 out of 10. It looks so great for this breakers. I'm like. I'm gonna will be next on with this. I have no idea what's going on here. No glue, no painting, and no tools required. I just not this accessories. Very good. This one. I hope you're enjoying this and waiting for the ratchet for this one. And then became easy this wait free. There's a whole bit for the side for this one. And you guys see the shields, the windows in this one, the shields of the blue painting. That's so good. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Leave it a like it and subscribe to the channel, notification bell so for notified for the latest videos. Follow us on social medias. As you guys see, this is nothing around this time. So thank you so much for watching guys. Hope you enjoying this. See you on my next video. Bye. Peace.